Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix a data error cyclic redundancy check or a CRC error, as we normally call it with the old HDD hard drives, where one sector gets corrupt and the rest of the data is also at compromise. So, what we can do is we can go to command prompt, run as administrator, and we have to type check disk CHKDSK space /R space /F and press enter. Now this will start checking your disk for the bad sectors and will automatically repair the bad sectors. Now if that doesn't work, then we have one more solution. That again we go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and we type sfc space /scan now and press enter. This will scan the disk for bad sectors and it will repair the problem. If this has helped you, then please subscribe to the channel and enjoy your day.